We've delivered into Waterbury. It is Monday, July 29th, 2019. And we're heading back down to Fulton, and we're going to do a pickup tomorrow and head on up to St. Albans, Vermont for tomorrow night. Probably going to be running pretty much the same this week. And then next week we need to get out to Ohio and get to the shop. Saturday I had a battery go bad on me, so I'm only running on 3 batteries instead of 4, which is fine this time of year. I wouldn't want to be, dead of winter. I wouldn't want to be down a battery. But I started getting a funny smell on Saturday morning. And usually when a battery goes bad, it smells like rotten eggs or sulfur or whatever, something like that. But this, it smelled like, the closest smell I could think of would be roofing tar when they're redoing like a tar roof on a warehouse or something. Kind of had a petroleum type smell to it. And I thought maybe I had a transmission leak. It was hot transmission fluid or something like that. It didn't really smell like a battery, but I looked under the truck and couldn't see anything leaking, nothing, no fluids spotting anywhere or dripping anywhere or anything like that. So I thought maybe I'd run something over and got it up underneath the truck somewhere, but I didn't see anything. So Saturday night when I got home, I was smelling it again right when I stepped out of the truck, and the battery box is right underneath the driver's seat here, and then access is right underneath the driver door. And I smelt it again, and it started to have a little bit of a sulfur smell to it. So I took the side panel off the truck and looked at the batteries, and the number 4 battery was hot, very hot. It wasn't swollen or anything, but it was real hot. So luckily it was number 4, and I just took the ground jumper wire off it, and I'm able to run on 3 batteries. So, and that battery's less than a year old, so we can get a new one warranted on that. And probably more than likely it's not good to put a brand new battery in with 3 other year-old batteries or almost year-old batteries. So probably end up doing 4 batteries. Looks like we're getting a front row seat again, guys. Alright, well, we just cleaned all the bugs off our windshield. Should help for a little while. We're at the parking area just north of Watertown, New York on I-81. It's 9 o'clock at night, Monday night. Yeah, we got about 65 miles over to Fulton yet. And we're going to call it a day there and be picking up our load for St. Albans sometime tomorrow when they let me know it's ready. Alright, I just got here to Fulton and I've dropped my trailer already. I just unhooked from it. Yeah, I put it right here in the door. I know you can't see much, it's dark out, but yeah, I dropped the trailer in the door. I got to go inside and sweep it out now. And then we'll be done for the day. Alright, we'll go down here to Walmart and hang out there for tonight. Probably hear something about 9 or 10 tomorrow morning. And we'll have our 10-hour break-in by then, and we'll head right on over, get it, and head up to St. Albans. All right, we're here. Okay, that's it for today's Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here with me. Appreciate it. And leave me a like and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you like the content, guys, and we'll see you next time. Take care now.